So I just made another batch using, I don't know, a half gallon, maybe half of a half gallon. So I used the Insignia Best Buy inner stainless steel liner pot with a Meuller. It works great. I haven't tried this one under pressure yet, so I don't know if this will work in the other 6-quart power pressure cooker XL. I don't know, but I noticed this batch, which I only use the same turbinado sugar, doesn't have much skim on the top. Little more water, it looks like, condensed. And I just tasted it, and I don't notice any different flavor. This time I used 4 heaping, the 2 teaspoon spoon, so it wasn't 4 heaping tablespoons, the turbinado sugar. It was the 4, so what is that? That's 2 teaspoons, so 8 teaspoons of turbinado sugar. And yeah, it tastes good. So I'm going to go ahead and package it up, and I just want to document that because every time, because I use the just the half and half, just the sugar, and this is the same as the first and second batch, using the teeth and gums drops, which is actually expiring this month. So I think this is like tomorrow, Saturday's the 31st, will be the last day at 12/22 is when that expires. So, and I think I have another batch still left to use in it. I didn't realize there was so much still in that bottle. So, guessing it's still good, tastes good. I don't notice any of that cheesy flavor either. So, okay, that's all. Bye for now. Stay healthy, be safe, and have a happy new year.